is a no-code, open-source, and very easy engine. A great choice for beginners in the game development, and it can run on the worst and oldest types of computers. These are the specifications of the GDevlop game engine. If you want to make 2D games, this engine is for you. That's why I decided to make this video tutorial in which we will make a platform game in less than 10 minutes. Okay, let's move on to creating a new project. You'll probably see these lists empty because you're a complete beginner. Haha, loser. Click on Create, choose an empty project, put in all the details, and create a new game. You can move with the mouse and these two conditions. Well, the first thing for any platform game is the player. So I will add a new object and name it a player and add the pictures you will find in the first comment. Then name each movement. This step is important. We will go to Behaviors and add a platformer object to move the player, then a platformer character animator to place animations according to the names we set. After we finish with the player, let's move to the floor. We will add a new object, Tile Map. Change the size of the tiles. Add a building image. Select the image for the codes to work on it. Add the platform behavior. Drag it to the screen and run GDevelop to help in construction, to help build and draw a simple stage. Then drag the player to the scene before starting. We will go to the events scene, and its working system is easy first, if and then, like at the beginning of the scene, zoom the camera 1.5 and finally go to the player, then add the schmoth camera behavior. Now let's preview the game. Oops! The player movement is fast, so let's reduce the speed. The animation. It has some errors, so let's open the player and put the jumping and running animations in the loop. I would like to add some spixes. There are no spixes in the assets that I downloaded, I think, so we will draw spixes. Grab the stroke tool, select 16 by 16, and color using the bucket. Then we define the spixes, and then draw it. If you notice that, if a player falls, he will fall forever, so we will add an object below the player tile map. You can draw anything because we will hide it anyway. We put it under the player, then we open the events and click on Action, Hide End, then add another event to make the player, if he touches spixes or end, restart the scene. So we select the player collision with, then we add or to make the spixes and end separate. I know I'm not good at explaining, so do what I do. Change the scene to the same scene, meaning rest the scene. Before we preview the game, we'll add a background. So, add a new object, Spirit, and place the background image. Add it to the scene, resize it to the appropriate size, and set the Z order to -4 so that the game stands out from the background. Then, preview the game. As you can see, when we touch the spixes or fall, the scene returns to the beginning. The background looks small. You can enlarge it. Finally, this was an explanation of how to make a game in less than 10 minutes. I have another GDevelop explanation video that is a bit longer, but in any case, don't forget to support me on itch.io and subscribe to my channel, because this helps me a lot. After all this fatigue, the video did not reach the price of a few minutes. I need some time. In general, I will use this time to announce that I am working on the game Sky Falls, which will be a wonderful roguelike game that will be available on Windows, Linux, Mac, and Android. The game will be better than what you see in front of you, because I'm still working on it. Anyway, if you want to support me, subscribe, because I don't want to release the game for ghosts to play.